करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। एकदशोत्तर चतुश्शततमी, क्षम्यताम्, एकदशोत्तर-चतुश्शततमी कक्षा अद्य वर्तते। 411th क्लास्। वयमिदानीं संक्षेपरामायणस्य अन्तिम श्लोकान् पठितुं गच्छामः। मन्ये एतावत्पर्यन्तं 96 श्लोकाः पठिताः। 96 स्मरामि, 96 श्लोकाः एतावत्पर्यन्तं पठिताः। केवलं श्लोकचतुष्टयं तत्र अवशेषमस्ति। 4 श्लोकाः एव अवशेषाः सन्ति एतत् संक्षेपरामायणं समापयितुं। श्रीनिवास, गतकक्षायां कुत्र वयं स्थगितवन्तः? आकाङ्क्षा इति 96 श्लोकपठनानन्तरम् अभ्यासस्थान् अंशान् कुर्वन्तः अग्रे सरामः। इदानीं मन्ये नूतनश्लोकः, श्लोक सार्धद्वयं तत्र श्लोकसङ्ख्या। आकाङ्क्षा स्थापयिष्यति इति। स्थापयिष्यति नाम विल एस्टाब्लिश। कः स्थापयिष्यति? हु विल एस्टाब्लिश? राघवः, that is Rama, will establish or place. Stha is to tishta, but sthapa is a causal prernartha. Sthapa, tishtati, sthapayati. Kidrushah Raghava, what type of Rama will establish? Mahayashaha Raghava, Rama of great fame and repute, will establish. Kan sthapayishati, whom will he establish? Rajavamshan, he will establish the kingly families. Families of, kingly families, Vamsha, or the clans of kings. Punah, Kidrushan Vamshan Sthapayishyati. What type of clans will he establish? Kingly clans. Shatagunan, hundreds of families of kings he will establish. Shataguna means 100 times. Shataguna, Sahasraguna, Dashaguna, like Shataguna, hundreds of kingly families he will establish. Then again, Kim Krutva Sthapayishyati, doing what will he establish? Ištva Sthapayishyati, having performed the yaga, sacrifice. Ištva, after doing the yaga, he will establish. Kaihi Ištva, Ištva means having sacrificed, having it also means having pleased by way of doing sacrifice. Kaihi Ištva, with whom, propitiating by with whom, or sacrificing with what? Doing Ashwamedha Shata, by performing hundreds of Ashwamedha yagas. Ashwamedha Shataihi Ištva Sthapayishyati iti. Kidrushaihi Ashwamedha Shataihi, what type of Ashwamedha? Hundreds of Ashwamedas. Bahu Suvarnakaihi Ashwamedaihi. Ashwamedha yaga, where lot of gold will be distributed to the people. Bahu Suvarnakaihi Ashwamedha. When we come to the Padartha, we will explain that. Bahu Suvarnakaihi Ashwamedha. Those by performing such Ashwamedha yagas, sacrifices, where lot of gold will be distributed. Then Punascha Kim Krutva, doing again what? Giving, donating. Kim Datva, giving or donating what? Kotyayutam Datva. Koti Ayutam. Koti plus Ayutam. Ayutam, tens of crores. Kotyayutam Datva. Giving tens of crores of, that is crores of, koti is koti, 1 crore, ayutam is 10,000, that is a billions of not rupees in those days, whatever was there. Kotyayutam datva. Kasam kotyayutam, now he is coming to that. Acha, not money here. Kasam kotyayutam gavam. Read that.
Yeah, gavam kotyayutam.
Gavam kotyayutam datva. Giving, donating millions of cows. Gavam. In those days, in ancient India, Vedic culture, Srinivas, the number of cows Rishi had, he was supposed to be the richest. So richest of a person was counted on the basis of having the number of cows, cattle. That is how the concept of richness was conceived in ancient Indian history. Kebhyah datva, giving to whom? Vidvadbhyah datva, giving, donating those cows to the learned people. Punascha kim krutva sthapayishyati, again doing katham datva, giving how? Vidhipurva, as per the dharma, as per the rule in those days, giving them. Then punascha kim krutva sthapayishyati, and again doing what will he establish those hundreds of families? Giving. Kim datva, giving what? Dhanam datva. Na kevalam gavam tata kotyayutam datva, parantu dhanamapi datva. Kiyat dhanam datva, giving how much money? Asankheyam dhanam. There is no sankhya here. Sankhyahinam shunyam dhanam datva. So countless money, giving countless money. Kebhyah datva, giving to whom? Brahmanebhyah. Tatra go gavam kotyayutam vidvadbhyah asankheyam dhanam brahmanebhyah datva. Ragavah niyokshyati. Rama will appoint. Niyokshyati. Now, Ragavah kim niyokshati? What will Rama appoint like?
Ragavah chaturvanyam niyokshati.
Niyuj is the dhatu. Appoint or place also, direct several meanings. Ragavah chaturvanyam niyokshati. Raghava would set right the four what you call divisions of caste, chaturvanyam. Kutra niyokshati, where will he establish or put in order the four caste system? Sve, in their respective duties he will put them. Kutra niyokshati, where will he do this? In this world. Evam akanksha purna jata. Idanim anvayartham patam.
Mahayashaha Raghavah Ashvavedashataihi Bahusuvarnagaihi Ishva Gavam Kotyayutam Asankheyam Dhanam Cha Vidvadbhyah Brahmanebhyah Vidhipurvakam Datva Rajavamshan Shatagunam Sthapayishyati. Asmin loke Chaturvanyam Sve Sve Dharmi Niyokshyati Cha.
अन्वयार्थः एवमस्ति महायशाः Raghava, Rama of high reputation, Ashwamedha Shataihi, with by performing hundreds of Ashwamedha, Bahu Suvarnakaihi, and by giving lot of gold, Istva, having sacrificed, Gavam Kotyayutam, hundreds and thousands, millions of cows, Asankheyam Dhanam Cha, and also innumerable, uncountable money, Vidvadbhyah, Brahmanebhyah, Vidhipurvakam, as per the rights giving to the learned scholars and the Brahmanas, Datva, Rajavamshan, Shatagunan, 100 times Rajavamshan, the families, kingly families, he will establish. Asmin Loke, in this world, Chaturvarnyam, the four castes, division of four castes, Sve Sve Dharme Niyokshati, and he will also put the caste system in their respective order. Once Rama comes to power, that is it. Padartham Pasham. Mahayashaha Mahakirti Raghava Rama. Ashwamedha Shataihi.
बहुभिः अश्वमेधैः.
Here Shatam is given, but not necessarily only 100. We have, it is only a number indicative of innumerability. Sahasra Sirsha Purusha Sahasraksha Sahasrapat. Sahasra means only 1,000. You need not take. It cannot be that the Virata Purusha has only 1,000-eyed. Sahasrapat, Sahasraksha, Sahasrapat, only 1,000 legs like that. That means multiples of thousands. Innumerable, that is. The idea there is God has so many eyes, that is Sarvasakshi. Sakshi is the witness for every action of human beings and everything. So like we take in courts, in old cinemas we see, taking pramana on God, Daiva Sakshiga we say. So on God, I pledge in the name of God. So God is everywhere. The definition of God is that He is omnipresent, Sarvantaryami. Therefore, Sahasrakshi, that number only is used, but otherwise He has innumerable eyes. He has eyes everywhere. So that is similar here. Ashwamedha Shatai should be taken in that sense. Bahusuvarnakaihi. Prachura Swarna. Now, Subahuni Suvarnani Yatra Upakaranatvatah Vidnante Sakratuhu Sadbihi Smruto Bahusuvarnakaha. This is the definition given here. That is a sacrifice. Bahusuvarnakaha is a sacrifice where Bahuni Suvarnakani Suvarnani Bahuni Subahuni Suvarnani Yatra Upakaranatvatah Vidyante, where they are there instrumentally. So many coins are distributed in that particular yaga. That yaga or kratuhu sabbihi smrutaha bahu suvarnakam. Suvarnakaha. That means yatra yasmin kratau adhikam suvarnam dana rupena diyate. Sakratuhu suvarna bahu suvarnakaha. That sacrifice is called bahu suvarnakaha, where bahuni suvarnani danakani diyanti. So that is istva yajanam yagam krutva tatha apicha gavam. Gavam is shashti bahuvachana. Go shabda. If you remember, Gauhu gavau gavaha. Gam gavau gavaha. Gava gobhyam govihi. Gave gobhyam gobhyaha. Gavehe gobhyam gobhyaha. Then it comes gavehe gavoho gavam. Gavi gavoho goshu. Saptami Bhavachan. This is Gavam, Shashti Bhavachan. Gavam Dhenunam. Of the cows. Okay. Kotya Yutam Sankyakaihi. Koti is 1 crore. Ayutam is 10,000. Ayutam. Like in the denomination Dasha, Vimshati, Trimshat, Chatvarimshat, Panchashat, Shashtihi, Saptatihi, Ashitihi, Navatihi, Shatam, Sahasram, then Sahasram, Ayutam, Laksham, Dashalaksham, Koti, Dashakoti, Arbuda, Dasharbuda, like that it goes. Okay. Then what is Asankheyam? Apari Gananiyam. Uncountable. Dhanam, Dravyam, Vittam, Cha, Vidvadbhyaha, Vidyavadbhyaha. Vidvadbhyaha nama Vidyavadbhyaha. To the learned. Brahmanebhyaha, Viprebhyaha. Vidhipurvakam, Yatha Shastram. As per the Shastra. Dattva Samarpya. Rajavamshan, Rajakulani, Shatagunan. Shataguna Vruddhipurvakam in 100 times. Sthapayishyati, Pratisthapayishyati. will establish more. Is अस्मिन् लोके यह संसारे बहुतुस्तारे पाहि मुरारे. So अस्मिन् संसारे चातुर्वर्ण्यम वर्णान चतुरः वर्णान. 4 caste system which is being talked about right from the Vedic times down to Mahabharata time. Chatur, the same word is used in our Bhagavad Gita also. Chaturvarnyam maya srishtham gunakarma vibhagashaha. Gunakarma, that is it. Sve sve dharme.
Sve sve karmani.
Sviya karmani. Sveshu sveshu karmasu. In their respective duties. Like every caste is assigned some supposed duty. Cha cha niyokshati pravartayishyati. He will set, direct, he will set them in their respective duties. Bhavartham padatu.
महाकीर्तिः श्रीरामः प्रचुरस्वर्णप्रयोगेन शतैः अश्वमेधैः यज्ञं विद्यावद्भ्यः विप्रेभ्यः दशसहस्रकोटि परिमिताः गाः अपरिगणनीयं धनं च यथाविधि समर्प्य पूर्वापेक्षया शतगुणित वृद्धियुतानि राजकुलानि प्रतिष्ठापयिष्यति. Okay, it's a big sentence. Mahakirtihi Sri Ramaha, Mahayashaha Sri Ramaha, Rama of great reputation. Prachura Swarna Prayogena, by using lot of gold in the sacrifice. Shataihi Ashwamedaihi Yagnam Vidaya, having performed the Ashwamedha, hundreds of Ashwamedha yagas, using in them lot of Suvarna, and Vidyavadbhyaha Viprebhyaha Dashasahasra Koti Parimitaha Gaha, and giving to the learned people crores of cows and unlimited money to the learned people. Dhanam cha yatha vidhi, as per the rule, samarpya purvapekshaya shatagunita buddhiyutani, and more than the previous time, shatagunita vruddhi yutani rajakulani, more than the previous time, he would establish so many kingly families. Shatagunita in 100 times, hundreds of times more. Shatagunita vruddhi yutani rajakulani pratisthapayishyati. अस्मिन् जगति वर्णाश्रम व्यवस्थया लोकान् स्वे स्वे कर्मणि प्रवर्तयिष्यति च.
In this world, अस्मिन् जगति varnashrama vyavasthaya, by establishing this varna and ashrama vyavasthaya lokan sve sve, lokan nama atra janan, people, sve sve karmani, in their respective duties pravartayishyati. He will set them in their respective duties. Okay? व्याकरणांशान् पश्यामः. निदर्शनं सन्धिः श्रीनिवास सन्धयः सन्ति शतैरिष्ट्वा सवर्णवीरस्य विसर्गसन्धि क्षम्यतां. कोट्ययुतं कोटि यणादेशसन्धि. विद्वद्भ्यो विधिपूर्वकं विद्वद्भ्यः विसर्गसन्धि. ब्राह्मणेभ्यो महायशाः विसर्गसन्धि. राजवंशान् शतगुणान् चुत्वं छत्वं. राजवंशान् प्लस शतगुणान् राजवंशान् शतगुणान्. लोकेस्मिन्, लोके अस्मिन् पूर्वरूपसन्धि. सो एवं तत्र विसर्गसन्धिः बाहुल्यं वर्तते. विसर्गसन्धेः अधिकतया दृश्यते सन्धिः. समासाः अश्वमेधशतैः तत्पुरुष अश्वमेधानां शतम, 100 of अश्वमेध यागास. अश्वमेध शतम तैः अश्वमेध शतैः यागैः क्रतुभिः बहुसुवर्णकैः तैः. बहुसुवर्णं सुवर्णकं येषु
क्रतुषु, येषु रेफरिंग टू क्रतुषु यज्ञेषु, येषु यज्ञेषु बहु सुवर्णं दीयते तैः तादृशैः यज्ञैः बहु सुवर्णकैः यज्ञैः क्रतुभिः कोट्ययुतं, कोटिनाम अयुतम 1000 of crores. Asankheyam. This is a very simple nai tatpurusha, like adharmaha, na dharmaha, adharmaha. Na sankheyam, asankheyam. Mahayashaha, mahad yasya mahad yashaha yasya saha mahayashaha. Rajavamshan.
राज्ञः वंशाः राजवंशाः तान् राजवंशान्
Rajnah Vamshaha, the families of king. Rajnah can also be in Shashti Bahuvachana. Rajnah Rajnam Vamshaha. Rajnah Rajnam Vamshaha also. Shatagunan.
Shatam gunaha yeshu तान् शतगुणान्.
Shatam Gunaha, 100 times Eshu. Eshu Punaha Yagneshu Kratushu. In which yagnas 100 times these things are given. So Shatam Gunaha Eshu Kratushu Yagneshu Tan Tadrushan Bahurihi Shatagunan Vidhipurvakam.
Vidhipurvakam yasmin Vidhipurvakam Bahuri.
Vidhipurvaha Yasmin Tat should be there Bahuri. Yes, Vidhipurvakam as per the practice, as per the law. द्वौ कृदन्तौ इष्ट्वा इश यज यज यजति यज त्वा इष्ट्वा दत्वा दा प्लस त्वा ततितान्तौ द्वावेव राघवः रघु अण तस्यापत्यमिति राघवः रघोः अपत्यं राघवः दशरथस्य अपत्यं दाशरथिः गंगायाः अपत्यं गांगेयः. These are the derivatives. तद्धितास् श्रीनिवास. हिमवतः अपत्यं स्त्री हैमवती. Like that derivative nouns derived from parental name. मिथिलायाः like Janakasya putri apatyam stri Janaki, like that. Chaturvarnyam Chaturvarna plus Shan Swarte Shan Srinivas, in the same sense Chaturvarnyam. So we have this Chaturvarna plus Shan, you get Chaturvarnyam. Words like Saundaryam, Sundara plus Shan, Saundarya, Srinivas. Here what happened? Chatur is there, na? That becomes Dirgha. Chatur. Chatur becomes Chatur. Sundara becomes Saundarya. Vriddhi takes place. Sundara becomes Saundaryam. Chatur, Chaturyam, like that. Also the word Chaturyam, Chatura, from Chatura you get Chaturyam. Understand? Cleverness. Chatura, Chaturya. So Abhyasaha, Saptati Abhyasa, Slokasthani, Samastapadani, Sankalayya Samasa Nama Vigraha Vakyam cha likhata. Okay. Same samasas what we have just studied. Raja Vamshan already given. Rajnaha Vamshan iti. Then what is the other samasa? Just look back. Ashwamedha Shataihi. So Ashwamedhanam Shatam Taihi Ashwamedha. Then Bahusuvarnakaihi. Bahusuvarnam, yes. So just if they go back, I think just turn one page. Just we have studied, you fill in this. I am leaving that. 2. Slokastha Visarga Sandhi Yukta Padani Sankalayya. Again gather the sandhis we have just come across. For example, Visarga Sandhi only. Shatairishtva. 1 विद्वद्भ्यो विधिपूर्वकम 2, ब्राह्मणेभ्यो महायशाः 3. That's all. Only 3 sandhis. Visarga sandhi is asking na? Yeah. What is he saying here? Slokastha padani sankalayya sandhi vichedam kuruta. Okay. We have done na? That is same thing. Then they can do it. 3. Yathochitam yojayata. Now this is just Rajavamshan Gha Akaranta Pullinga Dvitiya Bhavachanam Samastam. Yes. Gavam. Pick. Shashti Bhavachanam of what? Okaranta. Strilinga. Where it is? Ga. Okaranta Strilinga. Shashti Bhavachanam. Dharme. Very simple. Nya. Last one. Akaranta Pullinga Napumsaka. Pumar Napumsaka. Dharma. Saptami Ekavachanam. That is 3 with the Nya. Niyokshyati. Yuj Kha. This is Kha. Ni plus Yuj. Ni upasarga Yuj dhatuhu kartari prayoga. Rut lakare bhavishyat kale prathama purusha ekavachana. Niyokshyati bhavati. Dattva. Dattva. No? Jha. Jha. Last but one. Ktvantam avyayam. Bahusuvarnakaihi. Trutiya bahuvachanam. Samastam padam. Bahusuvarnakaihi. Raghavaha. Nya. Kaka gaga nya. That is 5th one. 6th, sorry. 5th. To the right side. Then Raghavaha. Dhanam. Napumsakalinga. Top one. Dvitiya ekavachanam. Ka. The answer for 8th is Ka. Brahmanebhya. Pumlinga. Chaturthi. Bahuvachanam. Tatha. This is Taditantam avyayam. Tatha. This is the Tad plus Thal. We have studied Thal. There is a suffix called Thal. Tad, Thal, Tatha. Once again we repeat this. 2. Gavam is Ga. Dharme is Nya. Niyokshyati Kha. Dattva Jha. Bahusuvarnakaihi Ja. Ragavaha Nga. Dhanam Ka. Brahmanebhyah Cha. And 10th is Tata Cha. Chaturtamshaha. Kim karaniyam? Shabda Roop Purayat. Okay. Derivation. Gavam. Goho. Gavoho. Gavam. Just now I recall. Gavohu Gavahu Gavaha. Okaranta. Strilinga Shabdaha. So how do you derive the Shashti Ekavachana? Goho. Gavoho. Gavam. Say it. Goho. Gavam. Goho of a cow. Gavoho of 2 cows. Gavam of the cows. Kotyayutam. Go ahead. Kotyayutam. Kotyayute. Varam vane vanani. Kotyayutani. Kotyayutam. Kotyayute. Kotyayutani. This is just like Akaranta, any Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. Ga. Vidvadbhyaha. Chaturthi is used here, not Panchami. So, Vidvan, Vidvamsau, Vidvamsaha, Vidvamsam, Vidvamsam, Vidushaha, Vidusha, Vidvadbhyam, Vidvadbhihi, Vidushe. Chaturthi. Vidushe, Vidvadbhyam, Vidvadbhyaha. Why Chaturthi is separately given here? Panchami also same thing is there. If it were Panchami, Vidushaha, Vidvadbhyam, Vidvadbhyaha. Same Vidvadbhyaha comes here. So this has to be learnt Sakaranta, Vidvan, Sakaranta. Dhanam, very simple. Dhanam, Dhane, Dhanani. Then Chaturthi, Brahmanebhyah. What is it? Ekavachana and Vivachana. Brahmanaya, Brahmanabhyam, Brahmana. This is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Devaya, Devabhyam, Devebhyah. Then What is given? Mahayashaha. This is Prathama Ekavachana. This is Sakaranta Shabda. In the Prathama Ekavachana, it will take Dirgha. Maha Atulya Tejaha. Mahayashaha. Yashasau. Mahayashasaha. Mahayashaha Prathama Ekavachanam. Mahayashasau Prathama Dvivachanam. Mahayashasaha Prathama Bahuvachanam. So Ayam Shabdaha Prathamayam Asti. Prathama Vibhaktau Dattaha Asti. Vayam Dvivachanam Bahuvachanam cha Smrutavantaha. We have recollected that. And the next one, Raja Vamshan. Very simple. Raja Vamshau, Raja Vamshan. Raghavaha. Simple. Raghavau, Raghavaha. Dharme, Saptami. Dharme, Dharmayoho, Dharmeshu. Dharmeshu. How can you forget Akaranta? Dharme, Dharmayoho, Dharmeshu. So only thing is Goho, Gavoho, Gavam. That you have to. Panchavamshaha किं करणीयं श्लोकात् संप्रदानकारकस्य उदाहरणद्वयं select to fourth case चतुर्थी श्लोकातिरिक्तम् उदाहरणद्वयं च लिखत. And more than what is given, two you pick up chaturthi bahuvachana. Sampradana chaturthi is whatever words are used in the slokas, chaturthi vibhakti, pick them up first, and you also give some two other such examples. Slokatiriktam, and you give examples from other than the sloka of your own. What are there? Chaturthi Srinivas. Vidvadbhyaha. Only two words I think. Brahmanebhya, that's all. Two, you give two. Balebhyaha. Balebhyaha. Devebhyaha. Anything you can say. Two from your side. Vedebhyaha. Puranebhyaha. Anything you can say. Manushebhyaha. Anything. Deshebhyaha. If you take this, anything. That's very simple. Sixth, Shodasha. क्षम्यतां षष्ठांशः अत्र प्रदत्तान् शब्दान् प्रयुज्य वाक्य निर्माणं करणीयम्. ओ so many. यज इति धातुः लटि लृटि लङि. अब्बो that you can do very simple. Srinivas. Yaja yajati. Yaja is ubhayapada. Ubhayapada this is. Ayam dhatuhu ubhayapadi asti. Ubhayapadi yadi asti chet parasmai padam parasmaipadi bhavati atmanepadi cha bhavati. Parasmaipadi yadi bhavati yaj dhatuhu katam rupani bhavanti navarupani yajati yajataha yajanti यजसी यजतः यजथ यजामि यजावः यजामः. यदि आत्मनेपदी भवति यजे यजावहे यजामहे यजसे यजेते यजद्वे यजते यजेते यजन्ति. What I have done in Parasmaypada, I have come from third person to first person. In Atmanepada, I have taken from first person to third person. Ulta I have taken. So you can do that. Any one sentence you can take. Parasmaypada is simple for you. श्रीरामः बहुसुवर्णकं यज्ञं यजति क्रतुं यजति. That is there in the text here. Or Ashwamedha yagam yajati. Present tense, na lati.
Yes.
You have to say yajati only. Okay? Next, Luti. Yakshyati, it becomes Sri Ramaha Ashwamedhayagam Yakshyati. He will perform Ashwamedhaya. Yajati Yakshyati. Now, other Anya Rupani Sadaitum Shakyati. Yadi Yajati iti Rupam Smartum Shakyati. Yajataha Yajanti Yajasi. Tvamna Yajasi Ahamna Yajami. Ramaha Yajati. Iti Rupani. So, Yakshyati Srinivas. Atmanipada, if it is Yakshyate, only te. Yakshyate, Yakshante, etc. Then Langi, Ayajat, Ayajat. Atmanipadam yadi bhavet, Ayajata. Then you can derive Ayajat, Ayajatam, Ayajan, Ayajaha, Ayajatam, Ayajata, Ayajam, Uttama Purushe, Ayajam, Ayajava, Ayajama iti परस्मैपदी रूपाणि. यदि आत्मनेपदी तत्र भवेत् देन् अयजत, अयजेताम्, अयजन्त, अयजताः, अयजेताम्, अयजध्वम्, अयजत, अयज, अयजे, अयजावहि, अयजामहि. Like that. A little difficult, but third person, I only recommend third person to be practicers in this. So Yaj is done. In Lang also we have done. Ka, Shata. That's a numerical number. Shatam Rupekani Dadatu. One simple Vyavaharikam Samskritam Saralam Aham Ekam Vakyam Vadami. Shatam Rupekani Krupaya Dadatu. Give me 100 rupees, please. Or Mama Samipe Shatam Pustakani Santi. Mama Samipe Shatam Pustakani Santi. Then Ga Vidvas Sakaranta Vidvas Shabda. Viduraha Mahan Vidwan Asit. Mahabharata. Viduraha Mahan Vidwan Asit. Ramaha na kevalam Vidwan parantu Mahan Yodha cha Asit. So you can derive Ekavachana, Bahuvachana, whatever you want with Vidvas Shabda. And you want to make one with Vidvas, Srinivas? Vivekanandaha Mahan Vidwan Sannyasi Asit. Okay, pass on to Gha. Vidhi Purvaka. Vidhi Purvakam Vratam Karishye or Karishyami. Good. Vidhi Purvakam Ni Yuj Ammo. What are these? Latin Ruti. Yuja Dhatu is available in 1, 2, 3, 4 Ganas. Prathama, we are not studying that way, Gana. Bhuadi Gana it is there, Churadi Gana it is there, etc. Yuja Samyamane, Yuja Yoge, Yuja Samadhau, Srinivas. So, in this sense, Yuja Samyamane, Yoge, Samadhau. Concentration, Yuja means unite, Yoga comes from that. So, we pick the easiest Yojati. Simple derivation is Prathama Gana, that is Bhuadi Gana. Yojati, Yojataha, Yojanti. What is he asking?
Ni plus
Niyojati. Niyojati. It is there in Dashama Gana, Churadi Gana, Niyojayati. 10th, last Gana division, we are not, our book is not teaching here. Niyojayati, you can say, or Niyojati, you can say. In Lati. In the future, it becomes Niyokshyati. Niyokshyati or niyokshati if it is in, it is ubhayapadi also. So if you take atmanepadi rupa, niyokshyate, niyokshyati, niyojayati, or niyojayate, lati. Vartamana kale रूपद्वयं नियोजयति इति एकं रूपं नियोजयते इति एकं रूपम् अन्यत् रूपम् एवमेव भविष्यति काले नियोक्ष्यति इति परस्मैपदी नियोक्ष्यते इति. Then there is a way yujyate is there. Yujyate unites. Yokshyate is there. So can make any sentence here. यह पुरुषः अध्ययने मनः नियोजयति नियोजति सः एव सफली भवति. यह पुरुषः अध्ययने मनः नियोजयति नियोजयति नियोजति, both the forms नियोजति नियोजयति, स एव सफली भवति. He only becomes successful. One who unites, concentrates in study, he only will become successful. That is lati rupam. Lati niyokshyati. That. Then stha nichi. Nichi prayoge lati lati. Sthapayati. That is, nich means causal, period. So you take sthapayati, like the text sthapayishyati, and it becomes sthapayishyati. Ramah bahu rajavamshan sthapayati. Ramah bahu rajavamshan sthapayishyati. That is what. अस्माकं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी महोदयः बहुजनान् उद्योगेषु स्थापयिष्यति. आगामिनि वर्षेषु 3 वर्षेषु बहुजनान् उद्योगेषु स्थापयिष्यति. He will put them in many people in jobs. That is a contemporary sentence. So let them try out. Do you think? I don't think you are writing. Writing is required. But very. Instead you repeat. Just repeat. Yaja. Yajati.
Yajate.
Yakshati. Future. Yajati yakshati. See, I am giving you two derived forms of the verbs. Yajati iti vartamana kale, yakshyati iti bhavishyati kale. So, idanim vakya nirmanam bhavatam dharmah, patitrunam dharmah. Yadi ekam laguvakyam tatra nirmatavyam aham yajami, saha yajati, saha yakshati, aham yakshye kimapi vaktum shakyate.
Langi is
ayajat, ayajata, ayajam, ayajaha, etc. Then shata rupyakani, shata pustakani, shata varshani, jijivishi, shatam samaha, etc. Vidva shabdasya prayogaha kaschit purushaha dash dash mahan vidwan iti. यदि सकारांत विद्वत् शब्दः कंठस्थीकृतः अस्ति चेत् एव प्रयोगं कर्तुं शक्यते. तत्र अन्यथा न. विधिपूर्वकं यथा भवता उक्तं विधिपूर्वकं किमपि उक्तं न.
विधिपूर्वकं व्रतं
करिष्ये इति. नियोजयति नियोजति इति प्रयोगः भवति. लटि रामः चातुर्वर्ण्यं स्वे स्वे तत्र धर्मे नियोजयति नियोजयति नियोक्ष्यति च. फ्यूचर आल्सो यू कैन टेक. स्था निच स्थापयति, यू कैन मेक एनी. स्थापयति एंड स्थापयिष्यति इन भविष्यति काले लटि. एवं रूपेण अत्र अभ्यासः समाप्तः. 70तमः सप्ततितमः अभ्यासः। इदानीं श्लोक संख्या 97 श्रीनिवास पठ।
दशवर्षसहस्राणि दशवर्षशतानि च रामो राज्यमुपासित्वा ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति।
दशवर्षसहस्राणि दशवर्षशतानि च रामः राज्यम् उपासित्वा ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति। So there is a time frame given here. कियत् कालं यावत् रामः राज्यं करिष्यति इति प्रश्नः। यदि प्रश्नः तादृशः मनसि आगतः चेत् तादृशस्य प्रश्नस्य इदम् उत्तरमस्ति। दशवर्षसहस्राणि दशवर्षशतानि च रामः राज्यम् उपासित्वा राज्यं कृत्वा ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति गमिष्यति इति। पदपरिचयं कुर्मः श्रीनिवास। दशवर्षसहस्राणि समस्तं दशवर्षशतानि एव राज्यम् उपासित्वा ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति। या इति धातु एकवचनम् आकांक्षां प्रयास्यति विल गो। या इति धातुः प्र इति उपसर्गः प्रयास्यति नाम गमिष्यति इति। या धातु या गमने याति यातः यान्ति इति। यात्रा is the word derived from this. Prayasyati will. Here the book says ascend. Generally when we speak spiritual terms, ascended to the heavens, going to the heavens. So he will leave. Kaha prayasyati, who will depart or leave? Ramaha prayasya, Rama will leave. Saha kam prayasyati, where will he go to? He will go to Brahmaloka. Saha kim krutva prayasyati, doing what will he go to? Saha upasitva prayasit. Upasitva means having served. Sevam krutva iti. Upasitva now sevam krutva. Upasya iti. This is archaic arsha prayoga, Srinivas. Upasitva. Upasya. If it is our Sanskrit classical, then upasya. Samsevya. What is given in the book is samsevya, but upasya. Having served. Upasitva is arsha prayoga, we cannot find fault with it. So, punah, kim upasitva prayasyati, serving whom or what will he go? Having served the kingdom, he will go. He will go after serving the kingdom. People. Kingdom means people. Kiyat kala paryantam rajyam upasitva brahmalokam prayasyati. Till how long will he rule and then go to the Brahmaloka? So this may sound somewhat strange to foreigners. How many years it comes to? 11,000 years. Rama will rule for 11,000 years. Now, how is it possible? They may say this is all fiction. So, 1 year, human year is equal to 1 day of the gods, devatas. Our 365 days equivalent to 1 day of the Devagana. So, if you take that calculation, will it come to that, Srinivas? You have to have a calculator and work out. And you take Brahma time of Brahma also is far reaching, Devatas are like this. The higher you go, the longer the lifespan is like. Even scientifically they are saying, people who go out of this time schedule, even 1 hour going out of this earthly planet amounts to several years of earthly life. Recently there was a scientific fiction cinema also. Don't remember the name. So that is it. Srinivas, this idea is there fully explained in our Puranas. Time duration is given. So Anvayartham ekameva vakyam tatra
रामः दशवर्षसहस्राणि
दशवर्षशतानि
राज्यम् उपासित्वा ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति.
10,000, 1000, 1100, that is. Dashavarša Sahasrani, Dashavarša Shatani. Srinivas, 10,000, 1100, that is. Ramaha Dashavarša Sahasrani, Dashavarša Shatani cha Rajyam Upasitva Upasya Samsevya Brahmalokam Prayasyati. He will go to Brahmaloka. Where is Brahmaloka? You have information. Brahma Bhuvanal Lokaha Punaravartino Arjuna. Mamupetya tu kaunteya punarjanmana vidyate. Gita has some saying. Even if one goes to Brahmaloka also, one is subject to fall. Human beings are subject to fall, death. Fall means death. Brahma Bhuvanal Lokaha Punaravartinaha Arjuna. Hey Arjuna, Brahmaloka Paryantam ye gachanti te sarvepi puna agachanti Martyaloke. Mamupetya tu kaunteya, but coming to me, punarjanmana vidyate, there is no coming back. So Parabrahma, Sri Krishna says that. Anyway, Padartham Pashyamaha, Ramaha, Raghavaha, Dashavarša Sahasrani, same thing. Dashavarša Shatani, Dashavarša Shatani, Cha Rajyam Upasitva Samsevya Upasya. You can take another Upasya, Brahmalokam Param Prayasyati Gamishyati. Very simple sloka. Bhavartha, Srinivas.
श्रीराघवः
एकादश
सहस्र
संवत्सरान्
साम्राज्यं संसेव्य ब्रह्मलोकं
एष्यति यास्यति यास्यति गमिष्यति प्रयास्यति एष्यति इति. श्रीराघवः रामः एकादश सहस्र संवत्सरान् यावत् till 11,000 years Samrajyam Samsevya, having served the country, Brahmalokam Eshyati, will go to heaven. That is the prediction here given. Nidarshanam Srinivas. Vyakaranam Sandhi. Ekah Sandhi. Ramaha Rajyam Ramo Rajyam. Ekah Samasaha.
ब्रह्मलोकं ब्रह्मणः लोकः ब्रह्मलोकः तं ब्रह्मलोकं सृष्टितः.
Sorry. Brahmanah lokah brahmalokah shashti tatpurusham krudantah upasitva. Oh, upasarga. Upaiti upasarga asit dhatu tva iti tvanta pratyaya arshaha, that is what here clearly given, arshaha prayogaha. Upasya iti lyapa bhavyam. Lyapa bhavya means it should be understood as a lebanta prayoga. This is arsha. So how do you take in our upasya? But that form he has not. Upasya iti lyapa bhavyam. That is clearly given here. Srinivas? Upasitavya is arsha prayoga. Upasya is panini prayoga. Right? Next. Abhyasa. Samaya asti na? Panchanimesha. Eka saptati tamah abhyasaha kartari karmani parivartaya. Very good exercise. Srinivas. For you. Ramena Ramaha Brahmalokam prayasyati. Iti kartari prayoga. Ramaha Brahmalokam prayasyati. Asya prayogasya kartari prayogasya karmani krutaha tatra prayoga parivartitaha pustakena. Karmani katam bhavati Ramena Brahma Srinivasa. Ramena prayasyate. Atra parivartanam kasmin prayoge? Karmani. Kartaritaha karmani tatra parivartitam kalu. Ramena, Ramaha Ramena
ब्रह्मलोकम् इति शब्दः ब्रह्मलोकः इति प्रथमान्ते, प्रयास्यति इति क्रियापदं प्रयास्यते इति परिवर्तितम्। इदानीं भवता करणीयम् एतद् कर्मणि, पुनः कर्मणि कर्मणि, अच्छा द्वे वाक्ये कर्मणि त्रीणि वाक्यानि कर्तरि सन्ति तत्र। सो टू कर्मणि, रामः वनं यास्यति, राम विल गो टू द फॉरेस्ट, सेम लाइन्स यू कैन डू। रामेण वनं वनम ओनली बिकॉज नपुंसक यास्यति, you have the clue given here na, prayasyate yasyate, rameण वनं यास्यति, you have done it, okay। ख हनुमान लंकां यास्यति, हनुमान तृतीया, what will be tritiya of hanumat shabda? Hanumata lankam, dvitiya to prathama it should come, lanka yasyati, so repeat, hanumata यास्यते, हनुमता लंका यास्यते इति कर्मणि प्रयोगः। Again, now karmani is given, passive. Now again I am repeating, the first three sentences are turning from active to passive. Now we are getting passive to active. Ramena Sita Drusta, this is karmani, passive voice. Ramaha Sitam Drusta is given na? See, so you tavatu, use tavatu. Drustavan. Ramaha Sitam Drustavan. Ramaha Drustavan. Ramena Drusta. Ramena Sita Drusta. Ramaha Sitam Drustavan iti kartari prayoga. Gha. Next. Passive is given. Sitaya Ramaha ishyate. Ish ichha. Sita Ramam ichhati. That's all. Sita Ramam ichhati. Sitaya Ramaha ishyate. Sita Ramam ichhati. Antimam. This is kartari prayoga. Vibhishana Ramasya sharanam gacchati. Vibhishana goes to the refuge of Rama. Vibhishanena Ramasya, Ramasya stands same. Sharanam napumsakalinga sharanam. Gacchati becomes passive. How? Gamyate. Gamyate. So again repeat it. Vibhishanena Ramasya sharanam gamyate. Vibhishanaha Ramasya sharanam gacchati iti vakyasya Vibhishanena Ramasya sharanam gamyate iti karmani vakyam. Asamanam shabdam pratak kurta. Yeah, we can do this. Dasha shatam sahasram varsham. Ramaha dasha dasharatihi bhagirati ragavaha. Bhagirati. Odd man out here. Lokaha samsaraha agnihi vishwam. Agnihi iti asamanam shabdam. Asamanaha shabdaha. Raja Mantri Nrupaha Bhupatihi. Mantri. Raja, all synonyms. Nrupaha Bhupati. Ante cha tasya eva na tatha. Kimartam cha iti avyayam, eva iti avyayam, na iti avyayam, tatha iti avyayam, tasya iti sarvanama shabdaha. Atra vayam sthapayamaha. Shubham bhuyat.